Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and here in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo, video and so on, because the timer option is located in the general settings and they are right here, so in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down to the general section, and on the third position we've got the timer, so let's tap. And as you can see, 4 different options, so 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay, and of course the off option, which is right now applied. So let's begin with, for example, 10 seconds. All you have to do in order to set the timer is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and of course I've clicked on the 5 seconds, not 10 seconds. So here we've got 10 seconds. Let's go back. Actually here it is not notified at all that we've got the timer set, but after tapping on the shutter button, as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, the camera flashed a little bit, let's say, so the photo has been taken. Let's check the 2 seconds maybe. In the same situation obviously, but right now it is counting down from 2. So let's turn off the timer. Just pick this off option, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.